kids, welcome back to Edupil. I hope you all are doing good and your day was great. So today we are going to learn about more direction sense. In the last video, we have learned what is our left and what is right. Yes, that is very important also. And today also we are going to learn more about direction sense. So yeah, let's go and start our session today. Okay, so now, in that video, we have learned that whenever we have to take a left or we have to take a right, we have to know that, yeah, which is our left side and which is our right side. But whenever somebody is going to ask us, okay, so you have to turn towards north direction. Oh, which is our north direction? What's our north direction? We don't know, right? So we have to know that is very important. We should know that what is our directions as well. So today we are going to learn our directions. Okay. So we have basically four directions. One is north, one is north, other is south, next is east, and the fourth direction is west. Okay, kids? So these are our four directions. North is denoted with the capital letter N. South is denoted with the capital letter S. East is denoted with the capital letter E. And west is denoted with the capital letter W. So all are the initials of their, directions. So these are our four directions, and the name of these directions are cardinal directions. What we call them? Cardinal directions. Okay, these are cardinal directions. Now we know that, okay, so we got to know that, yeah, we have a four directions. Okay, in our maps, we have four directions, north, south, east, and west. But where are those four directions? Why, on which direction we can say that, yeah, this is north, which direction we can say this is east, which direction we can say south or west. So today I'm going to make you learn that thing only. So come on. So we have compass in our house. So we can easily guess the direction with the compass. But when we don't have a compass or a mobile phone, how we are going to guess that? Let's see how we are going to do the direction. So first of all, you have to make a plus. Okay. So these are the plus and we have four points over here. Right, kids? So we have 4 points over here. The top is always the north. The top is always the north. The south is always the bottom. The south is always the bottom. Now, the preferences changes, like whenever I'm facing towards you, my west and east will get changed. But when I'm facing towards the board, my west and east will be changed as well. Again, the directions of west and east base is truly based on the side you are standing. If I'm standing in just beside you, your and my west and east are going to be same. But when I'm standing in the opposite side of you, your west will be my east and my east will be your west. So please answer accordingly to that. Okay? So right now I'm standing opposite to you, right? So this is our east and this is our west, right? This is our east and this is our west. Getting it, kids? Okay, so now these are our four directions. North is on top, South is on bottom. Whenever I'm standing in front of you, like I'm standing opposite to you, this is my west and this is my east. But whenever I'm standing beside you, my west will become east and my east will become west. So that is just the gameplay of left and right. So that's what we call the mirroring, right? That is mirrors, that the direction mirrors whenever we change our position. Okay, so the positions of houses or the direction inside the houses also depends on our position. Okay, so now I'm going to give you, make you understand the cardinal directions with a fun activity. Okay, so in this activity, I'm going to share my screen with you all, and you have to answer some questions, few questions from that only. Okay, so let me just share my screen and then we will be doing the activity. So kids, as you can see, we have we have a worksheet over here in which there is a Dracula, and above the Dracula there is a bat, and okay, on the right hand side there is a castle. On the left hand side there is a spider web. Again, I'm going to say that your spider web will be on right hand side and your castle can be on left hand side because I'm standing opposite from you. Okay, so please answer accordingly and mindfully. Now the coffin is under the Dracula. So here we know that we have four cardinal directions, that is north, east, south, and west. Right, kids? So this is the top one is north, the bottom is south, the right is east, and the left is west. Now, have you seen that here my right was west and left was east, but now my left is west and right is east. So that's how the cardinal direction west and east changes with the position. Okay, so now we are going to look towards some questions that is given under here. So now you have to look at the pictures in what direction of Count Dracula are these things. Okay, so we have to circle the correct answer. So the Dracula's castle is at east or at north? Can you please tell me? Okay, so we can have a little confusion in west and east, but that should not be because we are very clear with that as well. Okay, but cannot. Okay, so Dracula's castle is here, right? Dracula's castle is here. So what is the direction for Dracula's castle? Is it east or is it north? As you can see in the compass, east is towards this side, right? And the north is towards up. Now, if you're going to see towards east, we have our castle. So the castle is at east side, right, kids? Okay, so our answer is east. Okay, now let's go towards the spider. The spider is towards the south or towards the west. As you can see, the spider is at this side and we have west at this side. So the spider is at west side, right? Okay. The bat is now the bat is on the head of the Dracula, and on the head, on the top, we have N. So, what does it mean? That the bat is at north cardinal direction. Now, the coffin, that is the last thing remaining, that is the down bottom, and we have south direction in the bottom. So, south is the option. Okay, you get that? Very nice. So that's all for the directions we have learned. We have learned what is left and right. We are very clear with that. if you are very clear with left and right, then only we can know a cardinal directions. In cardinal directions, we have learned about four directions: north, south, east, and west. I told you the position of east and west changes towards as your position varies. Like I'm in front of you, so this right hand side right now, this is my west and this is my east. So right is my east and left is my west. Now when I'm going to turn, now right is my west and left is my east. So this is how the direction of east and west changes when your position got changed. Okay, so that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Now that's all for the cardinal directions. We will be meeting towards, in the next video with different topics. For then, have a good day. Bye bye.